In part 11, I finished the main part of the body, and I was about halfway done with the front legs, so let's finish them. So, I'll need to do this. So, first of all, let's add a loop about right here. If it turns off. And turns on some. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay, so the next thing I do is this. So, oh yeah, I need to pour this out like so. Yes, that's too much. And now next thing I do is this. Select this whole loop right here. Oh, actually, I pour loop right here actually. So, yeah, like that. Let's see, if I turn this off. Never mind, I can see right here. So right now, it's actually looking kind of not the best. And I think I know why. Let's see. Put this down here some. Okay. Let's see. I'll do this. Not that much though, just some. Like that. Okay, so now I can do this. This will be his paw, so let me rotate that because right now it's not quite right. Okay, that'll work. Also, I need to be small now. So like, I think that, and has to go down some. Oh yeah, now I can do this. Like first, make it wider, and make it flatter. Actually, yeah, I could do this. Second out the front because it's all gonna be that way anyways. And it's a little not wide enough. Now it's fine. I guess that can work. And now, be back. Okay, so now I can do this. So what I'm gonna do is take these two right here. Oh, actually, well, the height didn't make a difference, but the width did because you can see it's a lot smaller than it's supposed to. So let me do this. Or do this, I mean. Okay, so now I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to extrude it out like this. Yeah, I'm going to make a tail for him now. Something like that. And of course, actually no. Let me do this first. Extrude out some. Actually, I think the problem is this is out too much. So let me just grab it on the y-axis and pour in some. Okay, now I can do it again. Nope. I don't know what I just did, but okay. Anyways. Here. I need to be back. Okay, hopefully everything happened again. Anyways, what I was going to do is extrude this out like this. Making a y-axis, that is. And then I want to do this. Circle to make it that. And now, let me extrude one more time. Also on a y. So, something like that. Okay, so let me just do this first, and hopefully everything, trip of this file. So, I save it now. Okay, good, looks like everything's fine. So anyways, let me get back to this now and work on, his other toes. So right now, oh yeah, so here's a problem that you might encounter when you're using, the two quads, and you do a circle tool. So yeah, it's a hexagon in front because it's 6 sides. But if I go over here, well, let's see. Yeah, so you can see over here that this right here, it's flat. But when I go over here, it's not flat. And I need to, oops. Here, let me just dissolve these faces right here. No, I'm just gonna do this. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, here you go. Yeah, so let me just, oh, crap. I need to do this. I didn't realize it was like very skew, so let me go ahead and fix that. here's how you can fix it though. It's actually easy. Just go transform and then shear. I want the y-axis. And yeah, that looks about good. Also, I just realized that this is twisting too, which might have been what's caused that thing. So let me just do this. And let's see, rotate on that y-axis, and let's straighten up some. Okay, so I need to do this right here. Okay, now I can do this. Let me save it again. And now I can do this. So, do it again. Out the one like this. Do circle. Okay, so you can see that if I extrude out again, that wire is flat over here. It's actually round over here. But I don't want that problem, so that's 3 ways to fix that. One, pull us out. So that's round. The second way is to just, right click, subdivide, and I want to turn this off so that the triangles. And because smooth way on, it did that for me, though I want to do a little better than that. So, screencast, let me turn back on. Don't know what happened there. But anyways, let's see, if I do this, yeah, that's one way, and that's another way. And this is what I usually do with characters, at least sometimes. But what I like to do in this case is just to delete and then dissolve vertices. And now you have a hexagon. Oh no, I committed sin to certain people because those kind of people believe that anything more than 4 sides is bad. Except it's not bad here. Because I showed you problems the other two cause, and so this one doesn't have that. Although, I like to drag out some. I think that can work. Actually, I need to make it smaller. Yeah, that works. Also, let's put in some. Okay, so now I could do this. Put in some. Actually, no. I just want to do this, do a loop cut right here. Scale it bigger. Yeah, something like that. Oh, a little bigger, I mean. Yes. No, he's left flipping it off. It just looks that way because he's only one finger in the middle. So let me just say this again. And I will actually do this. So let me select these things right here. Actually, I need these faces first. Because, without them being gone, it would cause problems. Okay, now I can do this. One more. Nope. Okay, good. And now I can do this. Duplicate this here, and then this here. Rotate the sum, put it about there. Take this one, rotate about here. Okay, next thing I do before I actually join together is this. So I'll take these edges right here. This one too, like this and this. I actually want to pull it backwards. So that. And now of course take these vertices and pull them over here. And now I can do this. Select these two edges. And of course I need to go to, let's go to edge mode because it's quicker. Yeah, bridge as loops. And then same thing over here. Okay, how's that look? Here. Period. I'm just like that. So now I can, stuff. Okay, so now I can just take these right here. And I actually want to scale them down like this. And forget edit mode. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. Except that I need to make this taller again. Well, I'll make the whole thing. Oops. I just like these right here. And yeah, this one too. Also, let me just do this. How's that? Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, so now let me just save this again, and I'm actually going to fix the front leg some because it looks kind of weird. So let's do that. Actually, I'm almost at the 10-minute mark, so let me just do this real quick and then I'll cut this one over. Okay, so let me just move this like I just propose editing and move this down some. Actually, no, I won't do that. I just instead. And then rotate some. And then a front view. Let me fix this. Nope, nope, don't do that. Okay, so let me take these ones right here. Oh, not that one though. Rotate this one some. Then put over here. And now, let me just do this. Okay, on the x-axis, actually, let me rotate these over here now. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is this. I need to thicken these up some. And I guess these ones as well. And no, that's too thick. And this needs to be thinner too. Okay, so that's all right for that. I mean, that's all for part 12, so I'll see you in part 13 after I save this.